Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today we have an iPhone 15 Pro Max, a brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max ready for testing. I already have it like 20 days ago, but unfortunately I couldn't find the time to test it. So today is the weekend, is the suitable time. Finally, I am going to provide an honest review with the advantages and disadvantages which I see myself. I'm not going to depend on any videos talking about disadvantages or whatever. So we will go together and we'll discover if there are any shortcomings or something. And hopefully someone would benefit from our video today. So let's go ahead, guys, and open it. I already bought some additional requirements, like for instance the this wireless microphone with Type-C, because iPhone 15 Pro Max is actually changed to Type-C micro USB, and there is a charger here. I built this new charger. Also, I bought some holders here I'm going to use, and two kinds of holders. This one is also the cover for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's go ahead, guys, and open it. Okay, first is first. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So we need those two tools. This is the invoice, and the price is about 6,000 riyals. That's about $1,600. Pretty expensive. We'll talk about that later on, guys. So maybe we will need a scissor then. Okay, this is a scissor. The iPhone. The charger. Okay. Let's take out this strip from here. Okay. And also this one from here. By the way, general description of this device here. It's an iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it's a black titanium finish, 256 gigabyte. Action button, because now they already have installed action button. That's a new thing for the iPhone 15 here, iPhone 15 Max Pro. And it is also Type-C mini USB instead of the previous Lightning, okay? Okay, so this is the black finish of titanium. We'll speak about all of this, guys. So first off, let's take out this cover here. You can see it has rounds, and it is also thinner than the iPhone 14. Okay, here we go. This is the one here, and we have the charging wire with Type-C. Finally, Apple has applied Type-C. Great, both sides. And here we have the famous tab for installing the SIM card. Okay, guys? So, I think no more. So, first thing is first. Let's go ahead and charge it. But first, let's open the charger. Okay, here we go. So the first thing to do is to go ahead and charge it fully. Then we will come back for the setup, okay? Here we go. This is the wire. We'll go ahead and charge it. Then we'll come back when it is fully charged. So now it's charging and starting also. Forget about the starting, there is no problem. It is about 83%. We need it to be charged fully, 100%. So let's talk about this cover that I bought. It has a magnet and it can be actually extended like this. But I bought it for a reason. I'm not going to use it for the iPhone at all. I bought it for a reason because I want actually to modify this, this cover to add windscreens on these microphones. And this microphone here, okay, this one here, this is number 2, and there is another one at the front of the iPhone here. So that's why I put this one, okay, because I wanted to make it like this. My current iPhone mini, iPhone 13 mini, see, I put an on the screen here, and one is I put it here. So I really hope that the problems that I suffered with this iPhone 13 mini will never be repeated with the new one, iPhone 15 Pro Max. Overheating and the problems of the camera, the problems of the colors, incorrect colors, so that I had to invent the the filters. You can see that video there. I will put a link for you. How did you create this in order to correct the colors, and also the low capacity of the battery. It discharges very fast in a couple of hours. I hope all these problems will never be found with the new iPhone. Okay, not fully charged, but 95%. So let's go ahead and turn it off because we are preparing for power off. Transferring the information from this iPhone 13 mini to this iPhone 15 Pro Max. Okay, that's what we're going to do. So turn them all off. Once they are off, come up and take out the SIM card from this old one. Okay, there we go. Yeah, and put it in this new one here. Okay. Okay. That's great. Just like this. Turn the old one on. Yes. And turn the new one on. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead for the setup, guys. If you can see me. It detects set up a new iPhone. Continue. Push on the continue here. Now, it is connecting to this one now here. So what I'm going to do actually is to photograph the camera from here like this. And now, there is a connection. If you can see. Yes, it's taking time, but this is a good thing that Apple actually has so all you have to do is to keep them near together until they are already done. Okay? And this will transfer the information from the previous iPhone to the new one actually. So as you can see the progress bar here and there, all we have to do is to wait until it is completely set up. It will transfer all the required information from the previous iPhone device to the new iPhone device. So I don't want to speak about the overheating that this device is also, some people have reported that it is really having the trouble with heat overheating. I don't want to see that the titanium color is affected by the sweat of the hands, and I don't want to say anything about the exaggerated price. I don't want to say anything also about the tests that iPhone 15 Pro Max has failed when compared to Samsung S24 for the camera and the low light photography. I don't want to say anything about that either. But what I want to say actually is we'll go with the testing, and at the end, I don't want also to say anything about the scratch testing, and it fails the scratch testing, it fails the free falling testing and destruction. I don't want to say anything about that. I will wait until the end and I will list out all my observations. Transfer complete, and therefore the iPhone 15 turned off. Nice. Here we go, setup is completed. You can see that some applications are still actually downloading from their iCloud or the iCloud, like for instance this one here. Okay. Otherwise, everything is working nicely and perfectly, and the information was successfully transferred. So now let's go for the tests. Now, this is the footage of iPhone 13 mini, the problematic one, and the incorrect colors of the camera. There should be actually red color in my toes here. I don't see them. And this is the footage of the iPhone Pro Max, iPhone 15 Pro Max. I hope it is not the same color.